Australia is a vast and diverse country with many cities that offer different attractions and experiences. This is the fourth video in an 8-part series about Australian cities. Perth is the capital and largest city of Western Australia and the fourth most populous city in Australia and Oceania, with a population of 2.2 million living in Greater Perth. Captain James Stirling established Perth in 1829 as the administrative centre of the Swan River colony. It was named after the Scottish city of Perth, influenced by Stirling's patron, Sir George Murray, who had connections to the region. It is located on the traditional lands of the Whadjuk Noongar people, where Aboriginal Australians have lived for at least 45,000 years, and is known as Boorloo in the Nyungar language. The city has expanded outward from the original British settlements on the Swan River, upon which the city's central business district and port of Fremantle are situated. Perth is part of the Southwest Land Division of Western Australia, with most of the metropolitan area on the Swan coastal plain between the Indian Ocean and the Darling Scarp. The city contains a number of important public buildings as well as cultural and heritage sites. Notable government buildings include Parliament House, Government House, the Supreme Court buildings and the Perth Mint. It has many attractions such as the King's Park and Botanic Garden, the Perth Zoo, and is also famous for its beaches, wine regions and wildlife, such as the quokkas on Rottnest Island. The city is served by Fremantle Harbour and Perth Airport. The city experienced significant population growth during the late 19th century due to the Western Australian gold rushes. Since World War II, it has continued to grow steadily, with post-war immigrants coming primarily from the British Isles and southern Europe, as well as a more recent influx of people of Asian descent. Several mining booms in other parts of Western Australia have positioned Perth as the regional headquarters for large mining operations. All 5 of Western Australia's universities are based in Perth. Perth has been recognised as one of the world's most livable cities and is classed as a Beta Global City according to the Globalisation and World Cities Research Network. Whether you're drawn to its soft sand beaches, scenic parks, street art, small bars, or creative restaurants, Perth offers a vibrant and diverse urban experience. If you ever find yourself there, take in the beauty of the Swan River and explore the rich history and culture of this dynamic Australian city. Thanks for watching. Don't forget our other videos in this series.